Yo, what's good guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own Gorilla Tag fun game. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is download Unity Hub from the link in description. Go to Installs, Install Editor, and search for this one. Pause, you can actually use whatever you want, but I prefer this one. Just make sure you don't use Unity 6.0. 2022.3.62 F1. Click on install and wait for it to install. You go to projects next, click on new project. Make sure from here change it to the exact same. Now just call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it tutorial. Like this, and search for a location. So click on the location and make a folder for it. So just call it like, I don't know, whatever your game name is. And just select it. Click on create project. I'm just gonna wait. Now it should be here. So first thing you're gonna do, go to the hierarchy, which is on your left. Click on main camera and delete. Boom. Now, click on edit, project settings. Scroll down and see XR plugin management. Click on install XR plugin management. Now it should be installed. You wanna click on XR plugin management. Click on open XR on the monitor thing and wait. So something like this should pop up. Just click on yes. It's going to restart the editor. And click on save. Now everything should be like it was. Click on the extra plugin management again. Click on the Android. And click on Oculus. Now when it's done, you just want to click on OpenXR. On the Android, click on, go to OpenXR. On the Android settings, click on plus, select Oculus Touch Control Profile. Go to the PC thing, click on it, go to plus, add Valve Index and Oculus Touch Controller Profile. Then go to OpenXR, stay in OpenXR, click on the monitor, click multipass, from single pass to multipass, here from single pass to multipass, and on Android from single pass multiview to multipass. Do the same thing with Oculus settings, so on the PC thing, single pass to multipass, this also to multipass, and Android single pass to multiview to multipass. Go to XR plugin management, right next to OpenXR on the PC thing. Should be like this warning thing. Click on it, click fix all. And that's all we need to do for this thing. Now we're going to set up XR interaction management toolkit. Go to window, package manager, and type in this exact name, com.unity.xr.interaction.toolkit. Just like this. You can pause for now and type exactly this or it won't work. Click on add. Wait some time. Now just scroll down until you see XR interaction toolkit. Click on install over there or something like this. Click on samples, starter assets, import. Now this should pop up. Just click on fix all again. Close those two windows. Go to assets in your folder right there. Go to assets in your folders right here. Click on samples, XR interaction toolkit. your version, doesn't matter. Starter assets and presets. Now you should have all of this. Click on the first one, then over here add to continuous move provider. Now do the same thing with everything, so here add, here add, here add, here add, here add. You just add everything just like that. Click on assets, make sure you save. No, not like this. File, save, or Ctrl S. Now that's all for the extra interaction toolkit. Now we are going to build a map, which I'm going to show you how to make a very good map. Go to package manager, go to the plus, no, to the thing packages, select the Unity registry and type in Pro Builder. Click on install. Okay, now when it's installed, X out of this, go to tools, Pro Builder window, something like this should pop up. I just like to drag this over here so I can like switch from Inspector to Pro Builder. So when you have this window, you want to click on this thing. Let me just make it like, click on this, object selection, new shape. Now over here, click on the sprite, which is this, and hold down and make the map as big as you want. I'm just going to make it like this. Make sure it's a square. Boom, now it should look something like this. But we don't want a plain, we want something like a cool forest map, as you see on the example right now. So you should have this plane now created, and you click on it, this thing, face selection, click one time. On the Pro Builder window, search for subdivide faces and click this 2 times. So it shall be multiple squares. Now go to this vertex selection and select every like corner you want to be not a corner that is like this, you know, just so it looks smooth, not sharp like this. So click on this, for example, hold shift, click on this one, for example, hold shift on this one, and I don't know, on this one. Now just want to click this scale tool, scale it down till you like it. Now click on edge selection, click on all of those edges while holding shift, so they turn like you see yellow from orange. Just click while holding shift. Now go to the Pro Builder window, click on extrude edges. Something like this should do, like this should pop out, and you just want to click on this, the move tool, and move it up just a little bit. So is the walls, you know. Then click on extrude edges again, click on the scale tool, extrude it out like this, and click on extrude edges again and move them up. Then click on extrude edges again and move them in while using the scale tool, so like this, so the player can't get out of the map. Make sure it's like the size of the map, the floor, the ceiling is, yeah, so just like this. It looks good now, looks something like this. You can change the light settings if you know how to, but I'm not going to do this. This is going to be in a separate video. For now, we are going to get textures, so go to your browser, go to the link in the description, which is Ambient CG. You should be in this website, just type in whatever material you want. I'm going to type grass. The best grass is this, because many fan games use this, and it looks just cool, so I'm going to download it. Then when you're in the zip file, make sure you drag out the color. Then drag the color thing to Unity. And you should have it right now. But I just want to create a folder inside of Unity, call it materials. Drag this to materials, create material and call it grass. Then drag the grass texture that you can see on the albedo right next on the grass material. So albedo. Now turn the smoothness down to 0. Now go to ProBuilder again, click on face selection. While holding shift, select every grass floor where you want to be the grass material to be, right? So it's right there for me, because I want this to be grass and this to be grass also. So when you have selected all of the grass you want while holding shift, you want to click on detach faces. Now a new sprite should be created, so just call this grass. Like right there, right? So this is the sprite, the entire map, so we can just call it entire map. And now we have the grass, but we want the floors. So okay, you know what? We are just going to do only the grass. It doesn't work for me. I don't know why, but it's going to be working for you. Okay, now when you have the grass selected, drag the material on the grass, but like the object. So boom, and now you see only the grass has the material. And now on your walls, which I don't have, we just want to drag the like walls material, so we can go to ambient CG and get a, I don't know, wall, like I don't know, anything you want. It can be also rocks, yeah, and just make a material just like this, drag it only on the walls. Okay, now that we have the map, we are going to import Gorilla Rig, so we can actually move like a gorilla. So go to the link in the description. It's going to bring you to a GitHub page, something like this. Click on this Gorilla Locomotion and Unity package. Click on this and click on the raw file. Now I just drag it to Unity. You should have something like this. Click on import. Now this is very important, because you are going to get a pop-up like this, and you do not want to click reload, or else your entire map is going to be gone. You want to click ignore, and now you should have the Gorilla Rig. So what you want to do is go to resources, Gorilla Prefabs, and drag Gorilla Rig. And now just so those two balls are not in the ground or under the ground. Make sure they are flying above the ground. If you want to see like this capsule, so it's like the player capsule and the camera, just click on this. It's called gizmos. Okay, so the next thing, now that we have this Gorilla Rig imported, so you want to click on the Gorilla left hand controller and the right hand controller. Make sure click on add tag plus and call it hand tag, exactly spelled like this. Click on save. And now just go to this hand and select hand tag as the left hand controller and right hand controller tag. Now go to layer on whatever controller, click add layer, and wherever you want type in right hand and left hand, like this, exactly spelled like this. Click on left hand, select it to left hand, click on right hand, select the right hand. Okay, now that we have this, go to Gorilla Player, tag, add tag, and add a tag called player, exactly like this. So tag and click on player. Okay, now that you have set up correctly the Gorilla Rig, you want to add multiplayer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website. It's called Pan2. It's going to be in the description. click on download and open in Unity. Now click on open in Unity. Something like this should pop up. I just want to click on import, download and then import. Click on import. Alright, this is importing. You just want to go to your browser, go to the next link in the description, which is Photon Voice 2, and when this is done, we click on open in Unity. Okay, when it's done, you go to the next link, which is Photon Voice 2. Click on open in Unity, open in Unity. Now, something like this should pop up. Don't close this. So, Photon Voice 2 should be opened. Click on import. Making. Go to photonengine.com. It's also going to be linked in the description. Click on sign up and make an account. Now you should be there. I'm not going to show you all of my app IDs, but you want to click create a new app. Select Photon SDK. Click on pan and call it whatever the game name is or whatever you want. And you can copy this, so I'm going to do that. Make sure it's pan and select a multiplayer game. It doesn't need to search up. You don't need to enter anything here. Click on create. Now click on create a new app. Again, click on voice this time. Type the same name. It doesn't really matter. It can be anything. Okay, now you just want to copy. Click on the app ID of the pan. Control C, so we copy it. I'm not going to show you because you're going to break the game. Some hackers can do this, so don't show anybody this ID. Type it in the pan wizard thing. Oh no. Wait. Oh my gosh. Type it in the pan wizard thing and click on setup project. File. You don't need to update it. Just click on import. It is going to be on a Google Drive that I'm going to give you guys. Boom, now it shall be imported. Click on resources, Photon VR, then click on prefabs and drag everything that is light blue to the hierarchy. So it's Photon VR Manager, Photon VR Player Spawn, and Photon VR Voice. Go to Photon VR Manager, enter the app ID, go to Photon Engine, and enter the voice ID. So, copy it from the voice. Set this region to wherever you want. I'm in the EU, so it's right. Now, don't exit out of this. On the Gorilla player, main camera, drag it to head, left hand, drag it to left hand, right hand, drag to right hand. Now, I will just set it to 10 people per room, and that's all for this. Now, you want to go, now everything should be ready. So what you wanna do is test it out. So click on the play thing. And as you can see, I'm in game, plus it is Photon. It's going to pop up something like this, import TMP. Just want to click on import, but you need to. I'm going to show you, look. It's working. I just forgot to say a very important thing. You want to go to Gorilla Rig, Gorilla Player, left hand and the right hand, just select them both, like this. Then go over to the inspector, click add component, and type in sphere collider. And make sure its trigger is on, and the radius is 0.06.
Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Gorilla Tag fangame. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please join the Discord. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments or in the Discord.